To all my loyal subscribers, thank you for supporting the channel. Because of you we are almost at 2K subscribers. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, do so now, we would love to have you. To give back to my loyal subscribers, I would like to share my personal link of Arcade 2.0 goodies for you to download and enjoy. In order to get the link, you must 1. Be subscribed to the channel. 2. Email me at youtubetoons@gmail.com with subject goodies. I will then add your email to the access list, and you will then have access to view the arcade files and some library kits for download. There are a few kits for download to get you started. If you need specific kits, just ask, I have them all. If I can get a few donations in the near future, I will buy more storage and upload the whole arcade library in individual kits so that you only download what you need instead of downloading the whole 74 GB file.